The OECS Commission would like to place on record its deep appreciation to ARIN, the American Registry for Internet Numbers, and Mr. Bevel Woodin for their collaboration in reaching this stage of agreement. We are very happy to serve as a pilot institution for this new initiative that is going to be a very critical plank in building disaster resilience in the OECS and the Caribbean. We intend to pilot this very carefully so that the application of the new technologies to the OECS networks itself will be a demonstration of the viability of the technology and its ability to withstand disasters that will undoubtedly hit us in the future. We are quite excited about this because I think everyone would have experienced the severe outages of communications, the total blackouts, and the deep concern that created with people's inability to communicate with their neighbors, their friends, their relatives in neighboring islands. With the initiatives that we are talking about with the creation of resilient networks would mean that regardless of what the weather throws at us in the future, there will be continuity of communication at a personal level and business continuity at the level of the wider society and the world of commerce. So we are happy to be part of this initiative and we look forward to the results.